Now that you have done some invention for the context analysis assignment, let's talk about some planning steps you can take. If you remember, there are two broad levels of planning that you can engage in: macro planning and micro planning. Macro planning refers to the large sections in your project, while micro planning refers to planning within the sections or even down to the paragraph level. You should draw from your list-making activity as you think about your macro planning. In broad strokes, you know you will need the following elements: an introduction, a conclusion, a section that explains the 5 ways that technology you have chosen to analyze shapes instances of communication, a section that describes how the technology creates or implies the identities of its users by who it includes and who it excludes, and a section that includes a primary insight that makes a judgment about the overall utility or value of the technology based on how it shapes communications and identities. For this project, you probably want to begin your microplanning by focusing on the last 3 bullets. You can come back to the introduction and conclusion later. You may also want to review the primary insight video in Module 2. As you turn to microplanning, remember to pay attention to the organizational features of paragraphs. You'll want to start each paragraph with a topic sentence. This sentence should give your readers a sense of what the paragraph is about or what it is going to do. Within a paragraph, you're likely going to make specific claims or assertions. In short paragraphs, topic sentences will often be claims. To help make your assertions more understandable and believable to your readers, you'll want to provide evidence and/or examples. And lastly, you'll want to include warrants. These are connections between your evidence or examples and the claims they are meant to support, demonstrate, or elaborate. As you begin to plan out the various sections of this assignment, remember that the physical plan you construct might look like a list, an outline, or something else entirely. What is important is that you are able to write out a plan that makes sense to you and prepares you to write a draft that meets the demands of your writing task.